Hello, today we will guide you through how to use GoCharting Heatmap. To begin, open the GoCharting Trading Hub in your browser. This is where you'll access the charting workspace and the tools needed to enable the heatmap view. Once the page loads, look for the option labeled Launch GoCharting Free and click it. This will take you into the main chart interface, where you can start setting up your chart. After you enter the platform, direct your attention to the upper part of the screen. There you'll find the Indicators button. Click on it to open the indicator library. Indicators are used to add extra layers of market information to your chart, and in this case, you'll be using one as the starting point for the Heatmap feature. In the search bar inside the Indicators menu, type Open Interest. As the results appear, click on the Open Interest indicator to add it to your chart. This is an important step because the Heatmap option is accessed through the settings of this indicator. Once the Open Interest indicator has been added, locate it on your chart and right-click on the created Open Interest panel or entry. A context menu should appear with several options. From that menu, select Edit Settings. This opens the configuration window where you can control how the indicator looks and behaves. Inside the Settings window, find the option to Show Heatmap. Click to enable it. Once it's turned on, you can begin modifying the heatmap based on your own preference. Depending on what you want to focus on visually, you may want to adjust how prominent or subtle the heatmap appears. Take a moment here to review the available controls so the display matches your charting style. Next, click on Appearance. In this section, follow what you see on your screen to modify the visual settings and apply your changes. This area usually lets you fine-tune how the indicator is presented, which can help make the heatmap easier to read during analysis. If you're testing different looks, small changes can make a big difference in visibility, especially when your chart already contains several overlays or tools. After applying the changes, your heatmap setup should be active and ready to use. If needed, you can always return to the settings later and make further adjustments until the display feels right for your workflow. That's it for this guide on how to use GoCharting Heatmap.